Hello, good morning. Today I want to share my Mount Kinabalu hiking trip about the gear, the equipment, advice and sharing. So basically it's share my experience, like my regret, which thing you should very focus in this video. First and foremost is about glove. So I bought this, I think it's only 20 ringgit. You can see this link from Shopee. So this glove, you can see the description, they say is Kalis air, Kalis wind. Actually it's totally wrong. And then 一分钱分货, totally not protecting my hand at all. I remember it's like when I'm going to summit, my hand is almost freezing when I want to take the photo. The summit here actually is totally almost numb. So please don't buy this cheap glove if you want to for your Mount Kinabalu trip. So make sure you buy the proper or ask anybody what's the recommended brand. Please do more research, just don't cheap about this. So the second thing is I didn't buy the bandana, the grab, the headband, the band. So all the journey when I submit for the day 2, so I just wear the ordinary face mask like this, going up, and then as you know the wind also blow very cold, and then my nose is actually very freezing because my case is the wind really blow during my hiking. Just to be prepared. If not, this is your last resort, just wear mask like I do. Okay, next is about the raincoat, rain cover or whatever. I bought from the Mr. DIY one, very cheap. So you can wear, you can use. But actually, luckily inside I still wear my windbreaker, so you can still, why also have rainwater one. The fourth point about my Mount Kinabalu hiking trip is you can bring your the knee brace. So it's very helpful when you're going down. It's really helpful to protect your knee. So for uphill, I still didn't wear, but for downhill, I highly recommend you can wear first. Okay, the next trick is I suggest you can buy the very cheap smartphone, the water bag, something like this. Okay, so you can hang. So if really sway and then raining, so you can just hang on your neck or anywhere that's accessible. So once all the wind, mist or cloud disappear, please take your phone and take a photo. Please grab the opportunity. The weather is extremely changed very fast at the Mount Kinabalu.
My mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win it life.
Next of all about hiking trip is I would suggest bring another bag when you're going for the day 2. Why? When you're going down, if you're really lazy packing like me, go up, you can pack everything very fit, the bag very compact. But when you're going down very tired or you're already late, suggest you can bring another bag. So I bring my hyper gear, just why is waterproof. So basically I just put all my things, especially this camera, here inside, so when raining or whatever, so I don't need to worry. And then it's really save my time, so as you can just hang down and then going down together with the Deuter, the bigger bags. So suggest you can bring another bag when going down. Okay, next advice is about if you bring action camera, you wear the chest mount like this. So be aware, just to share my experience. So this mechanism is not really good. For example, you can see actually I already broke the clip here. You can see the left and right already broke. So actually I want to wear this to play the Ferrata one, but I don't want to take the risk. Just to be sharing. If you use this kind of system, so it will break easily. Still can mount one, but your own risk. So the plan B is for the action camera. Luckily I bring this clip, so I can clip at here, my soldier or my waist here area, so you can still can use . So if you bring your camera, they can change lens once. The regret actually is I didn't bring my wide angle . You're shooting landscape, everything is the wide angle is the perfect, it's make everything good. Then I also very bothered why I don't use my phone also have wide angle to film the video, whatever . So just remember to bring a wide angle or make use of any wide angle lens to capture video or photo, anything. Oh, this one really make me remind the Kinabalu, the trail, something like this . So a lot of stairs. This first one dot is stairs. Saja.
best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that
The next trip is about, okay, when you bring so many back, right, your gears, you know, like 7, 8 kilo, 9 kilo, whatever, just suggest you, if you're going down, actually the porter can help you, or the guide. So it's like half price. So don't worry about, oh, when you're going up, you didn't pay, don't worry. So you can just one way, also fine one. So if you're really tired, because estimate around 4 hours from Bandana down to Timpohan Gate. So you can ask the porter to bring your bag down to the bottom of the hill. Okay, final bonus tip is, you still have any problem, issue, you know, about Mount Kinabalu, I highly recommend you can find here or there, find AVIDER, so they can help you, or they are very experienced guide, so they can fulfill all your questions, anything. So I highly recommend you can ask them. So you already watched my video till here, remember to watch all my Mount Kinabalu hiking trip, all the playlists. So please watch and enjoy my whole trip, you know, my vlogging about the hiking trip. Thank you, bye bye.